Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to fix ingress timeout on the Instagram. So if you are facing this error on your Instagram account, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So step 1 is that you can simply open your Play Store. Right here, you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will do it, simply update your Instagram mobile application and try to open your Instagram account, and maybe your problem will be resolved. If it's not, simply you have to go back, tap a while on the Instagram app icon, go to the info. Now you are in the settings of the Instagram application. Simply you have to click on the storage and the cache. After that, you have to click on the clear cache and then clear storage. Once you will do it, you have to give login details again and log into your Instagram account. So these are the two ways. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.